It was smooth.
Should we go? Open the mask because it's not looking fine. It's not looking ready. It's looking negatively because people think why he hidden his face.
Why can't they go and take the interview with that girl without mask? I'm defending myself, sir. What, sir?
It's a conservative.
I'm a desperate situation, sir.
It's a conservative society
Sir.
style. The wearing
boys-
makeup, wearing burqa, and all kind of, we believe, all kind of hypocrite, all kind of
Actually, I
hypocrite
don't
in-
think so.
all kind of hypocrite in Bangladesh. They are wearing and
For Hindu, it doesn't require. For this issue, girls, doesn't require to remove the mask. But for boys, I'm defending myself. Keep on giving. For television, okay. For blog, I don't know, sir.
ওকে
I'm a
আমরা শুরু করি
desperate, sir.
আমরা শুরু করি ও মাস্কের জন্য মাস্কটা রাখতে চাই